for 42,000 maternal deaths by 2020. So according to Family Planning 2020, in India, it is not just about providing contraceptive services. It's not about only contraception. They also want to stop the IMR, the MMR. They want to stop the IMR and MMR by 2020. They want to stop, though we cannot stop, right? So we can decrease the rate of IMR and we can decrease the rate of MMR. So it's not only about the method of contraception, it's also about the decreasing IMR and MMR. Then what was the India's commitment? So what are the commitment? Inclusion of family planning as a central element to achieve universal health coverage. So inclusion of family planning as a central element to achieve the universal health coverage. Increasing financial commitment on family planning to more than $2 billion from 2012 to 2020. So before it was 2, now they have increased it till $3 million. Ensuring access to family planning services to 48 million additional women by 2020. 40% of the total family planning 2020 target. So they want to, what does it mean? They want to make it more accessible to all the women. Okay, all the women. It may be rural area, it may be underserved area, it may be very backward area. They want to make it accessible to everyone, all the parts of the country. Then sustain the coverage of over 100 million 10 crores women currently using contraceptive. Sustaining the coverage. So whoever is increasing, they also they want to sustain that, and they also want to increase it. Then reducing the unmet need by an improved access to voluntary family planning services, supplies and information. Reducing the unmet need. How? By improving access to voluntary family planning services, supplies and information. If they have the proper access to the different methods of family planning services, supplies, if they have proper information, obviously we can make the unmet need. And expanding the basket of choices and scaling up the uses of currently available methods. So they want to expand the basket of choices. Before, people knows only about condoms or contraceptive pills, but here in the Family Planning 2020, they want to expand the basket of choices. We have many types of family planning. For example, IUCD, male condom, spermicide, calendar method, rhythm method. Many types of family planning, methods of family planning we are having. So here they want to expand the basket of choice. So why they want to expand the basket of choice? So that the women and the girls, they can decide by themselves what type of family planning method they want to use according to their convenience. It should not be the husband force, or it should not be according to the choice of the family. It should be only the choice of the woman. Then ensuring availability of the free commodities through a strengthened commodity support system in the public health facility for all the couples of reproductive age group and adolescent seeking contraceptive services. So they want to make it, they want to ensure that all the family planning method services should be available for everyone who are in the reproductive age. It should be free of cost. That's why the government, they are distributing the family planning methods in free of cost in all the government hospital. And ASHA also there. Increasing access to contraceptive through distribution of contraceptive at the doorstep of the beneficiary through community health worker ensuring. So nowadays what Asha used to do, they used to deliver the method of contraceptive at their doorstep. Even people don't have to come out from their house, they don't have to come even to the hospital to collect the contraceptive method. So Asha, they used to do the home delivery of the method of contraception. Then next one is ensuring health spacing by augmenting the focus on spacing method. Now spacing method and method of contraception are same. Okay, how you can do the spacing? By using the method of contraception. So they want to make it ensure that there should be proper spacing between the number of pregnancies. Ensuring high quality family planning services through updating the existing and formulating the new standard operating protocol leading to skill enhancement provider, better counseling and monitoring. Next one is the strengthening and sterilization services through the quality service delivery and demand generation. So here they want to strengthen the sterilization services. So what is sterilization services? These are the permanent method of family planning. For example, tubectomy and vasectomy. Next one is addressing equity so that the poorest and most vulnerable population have more access to quality services and supply. So they want to make it equity, they want to make the equity, they want to make it equal for everyone. There should not be any differentiation between rich and poor. So they want to make the family planning method accessible to everyone so that most vulnerable population should have access to the quality services and supply. They should get the best quality services and supplies. Then fostering the partnership at country level with non-governmental sector for an improved service delivery. So I have already explained that nowadays, not only in family planning, every sector of health, they are giving more importance in the PPP, public private partnership. If the partnership they can make, then they can deliver the care in a most effective way. Then raising global awareness on positive impact of family planning awareness program. Then next one is the pursuing an integrated RMNCH plus A. So what is RMNCH plus A? What is the full form? Reproductive, maternal, neonatal, child health and plus adolescent health. So they want to integrate the family planning in RMNCH plus A. So what they are doing for that, subsequent to the London Summit on Family Planning, India launched Child Survival and Development in February 2013. They have launched a program was named as Child Survival and Development, and the comprehensive reproductive, maternal, newborn, child and adolescent health strategy was thereafter in May 2013. So first they have launched Child Survival and Development in February 2013. Then after that they have launched a program RMNCH plus A in May 2013. Integration of services at all the stages of life with family planning services imperative, which would not help India to achieve its National Family Planning 2020 goals but also help ensure the provision of quality reproductive health care in a holistic manner. So if you will integrate the family planning in all the scheme available about the reproductive and child health, obviously the quality of care will be more, the quality of care will be good. So the family planning methods, they are integrating with the RMNCH plus A, RCH, NHM. So obviously the people will have more access, okay, under all the governmental scheme regarding the reproductive and child health. If family planning is integrated, so obviously people will have more access and it will help them to achieve their goal. Existing network of community health workers act as a channel through extending the service delivery under ambit of RMNCH plus A strategy. beyond the confines of facility-based care. So existing network already the RMNCH plus A, it have their existing community network, existing community health worker act as a channel for them for extending the service delivery. So under this program already the community health workers are working, they are helping the program to extend their activities. So side by side they can also work for the family planning. They also can spread awareness for the family planning methods. So this is about the 5x5 matrix for RMNCH A plus. So this 5x5 matrix RMNCH A plus, it is also known as the pillar of RMNCH plus A. So what are the 5x5 matrix? First one is for reproductive. So for reproductive, what they are doing, what are the initiative they have taken, what are the strategy they have taken. Then M is for maternal. This is another pillar, maternal. For maternal health, what they are doing, what initiative they have taken. Then N, neonatal. For neonatal, what initiative they have taken. Then CH is for child health. Before it was only R, M and CH, but they have feel the need that adolescent also it should be included. That's why the plus A is there. Before the plus adolescent factor was not there, but later on they have realized that adolescents are very important group. They are also the reproductive group. So if we can improve the health of adolescent, if we can give the proper education regarding sexual health, reproductive health, regarding the disadvantage of teenage pregnancy, unwanted pregnancy, so obviously we can improve their health. And if we can improve the adolescent health, the mothers, the upcoming mothers, the future mothers will be more healthy. That's why they have added adolescent also. That's why plus A. Okay. This is the 5x5 matrix for high impact of RMNCH plus A interventions. So this thing I think we have already discussed in our previous classes when we taught about RMNCH plus A. Then next one is the ensuring service availability. So they want to make the services available for everyone, for all the parts of the society, for all the parts of the country. So family planning services is not privilege but a basic human right. No client in need should be unserved. So everyone should be served. It is not a privilege, it is not a choice, it is not a what to say, like it should be available for everyone. Okay, those even to the unserved area also it should be available. No one should